Number 1. 1965 Ford F100, 3Ds $500, Chelan, Washington. This 1965 Ford F100 Camper Special is offered as a solid foundation for restoration. Equipped with a 352 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it is currently not running but reportedly ran when parked. The body is solid with a clean frame, and some bodywork has already been started. For collectors seeking an affordable entry into the world of vintage Ford trucks, this is a strong candidate. Number 2. 1977 Datsun 620K Cab Pickup, $4,000, Chandler, Arizona. This 1977 Datsun 620 has undergone extensive refurbishment, featuring a rebuilt 1.9-liter engine with new pistons, valve work, and machine shop upgrades. It includes a PPG garage paint job, bucket seats from a Mazda sedan, a new aluminum radiator, and modern wiring. While it needs a steering box rebuild and has minor issues with the brakes and speedometer, it is mechanically fresh overall. With its clean Arizona title and rarity, it presents excellent value for enthusiasts of Japanese compact pickups. Number 3. 1972 Ford F100 Explorer, $3,900, Jefferson City, Missouri. The 1972 Ford F100 Explorer is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It features power steering and power brakes, making it more comfortable to drive than earlier models. The odometer shows 75,881 miles, though it may not be accurate. The truck runs well, but the fuel tank pickup is clogged, and the tires are aged. With its clean title and solid body, this is a dependable project for someone wanting a classic Ford workhorse. Number 4. 1962 Dodge Dump Truck, $2,000, Moses Lake, Washington. This 1962 Dodge Dump Truck, painted in bright orange, is equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission. It shows 79,713 miles and is in fair condition. The truck still runs and the dump bed functions, though it needs a battery. Once used as a snowplow, it remains useful for farm or property work. While not a showpiece, it offers vintage utility at a very affordable price. Number 5. 1987 Chevrolet S10 V8 Swap, $5,000, Sequim, Washington. This 1987 Chevrolet S10 has been transformed with a Chevrolet 350 V8 and Turbo 350 transmission, delivering far more power than the factory version. Upgrades include Edelbrock carburetor, Beltec shocks, lowering kit, rally wheels with radial tires, custom dual exhaust, and interior refinements such as bucket seats and new carpet. While mileage is unknown and some dings are present, the truck runs and drives well, making it a fun project or weekend cruiser. Number 6. 1976 Dodge D300, $3,000, Bend, Oregon. The 1976 Dodge D300 is equipped with a 400 cubic inch V8, 727 automatic transmission, and Dana 60 axles with 4.88 gears. The engine reportedly runs well, but the transmission needs attention. With 93,598 miles, it is offered in fair condition. Known for their durability, these heavy-duty Dodge trucks are sought after for restoration or farm use. Number 7. 1955 Dodge Shortbed, $2,900, Rockdale, Texas. This rare 5-window 1955 Dodge Shortbed was once a farm truck, now repurposed as a prop with fresh paint. The truck still has its original engine and transmission, but has not run in 30 years. It has rust, dents, missing glass, and no title. While not ideal for road use, it is perfect for display, advertising, or as a unique restoration project for a dedicated collector. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet LUV 4x4 Diesel, $2,400, Austin, Texas. The 1982 Chevrolet LUV, built by Isuzu, is offered here with a 4-cylinder diesel engine and manual transmission. It shows 202,345 miles and is in fair condition. The truck starts and runs on property, but has not been road registered in years. With functioning 4-wheel drive, it is ideal for ranch or farm use. Diesel LUVs are becoming increasingly collectible due to their rarity and utility. Number 9. 1981 GMC Sierra, $2,400, Anderson, California. This 1981 GMC Sierra features a straight-six engine with a modified exhaust system for a throaty sound. The manual transmission and straight body make it appealing, although it requires stock exhaust components to pass emissions. The truck is currently on non-operational status but runs great and includes brand new tires. With a clean California title, it represents a solid buy for a budget-conscious classic truck fan. Number 10. 1971 Ford F100 Sport Custom, $650, 9 Mile Falls, Washington. Offered at a very low price, this 1971 Ford F100 Sport Custom long bed is a non-running project truck. It houses either a 351 or 400 V8 with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck rolls and steers but has no title. With its bump-side styling, it remains desirable to Ford collectors, though it will require extensive work to return to the road. Number 11. 1975 Ford Ranger 250 Highboy, $8,000, Bourne, Oregon. This 1975 Ford Ranger 250 Highboy is a partially completed project with over $15,000 invested. Powered by a 428 V8 replacing the original 390, it features a new clutch, aluminum radiator, Holley carburetor, and numerous other new components. It sits on 37-inch Yokohama tires with black KMC Rockstar wheels. While it starts and runs, coolant in the oil indicates a mechanical issue. With a clean title, this rare Highboy offers both value and potential for a dedicated restorer. Number 12. 1987 Chevrolet 1-ton with dump box, $9,000, Saanich, British Columbia. This 1987 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe 30, a 1-ton dually with a 10-foot dump box, is being sold by its original owner. With 354,000 kilometers, it remains in good condition for its age and has newer tires. Powered by a V8 and automatic transmission, it retains a clean title. While more of a utility vehicle than a collector piece, its originality and durability make it appealing for practical use. Number 13. 1986 Chevrolet C10, $6,000, Menahga, Minnesota. The 1986 Chevrolet C10 has been repowered with a 454 big block engine, giving it strong performance compared to the factory small blocks. It features updated leather seats, new rear tires, and aftermarket rims. With 91,400 miles, the truck runs well and presents as a solid driver. For enthusiasts of square-body Chevrolet pickups, this is an attractive buy with plenty of muscle under the hood.